Hi there and welcome back. I'm here to teach you King of the Road today in the key of F so we can put our new B flat chord to work. There it is. Luckily we've got just 3 chords to worry about here in the key of F. Our F chord, of course, we've got our index finger on the 1st fret of E and middle's on the 2nd fret of G. Then we're going to go to a B flat chord. Be sure to study up on that tutorial just on this chord if you haven't already. I've got a half bar here on my E and A string on the 1st fret. Middle is on the 2nd fret of C. Ring is on the 3rd fret of G. As I mentioned in that video, you can also do it as a full bar chord if that feels more comfortable. And then I'm going to play a C7. You could also play a C. Either one works depending on which one you like the sound of. There's a little bit more edge to that C7. That's what I like about it. But they're interchangeable in this particular song. C or C7 should work just fine. And we just take it in a circle. F for a bar, B flat for a bar, C7 for a bar, back to F for a bar. Then we repeat that again, F to B flat. Second time through, we hold that C7 for 8 beats. We just strum it once and hold it out for 8. That's the first half of each verse. The second half starts the same as the first. Here's our circle, F to B flat, to C7, back to F. This time, F to B flat. When we hold it out at the end, we're going to strum twice on the C7 and hold it out. And then you have the option of either leaving it unresolved, or I kind of like to come back to F at the end to sort of close it. That's where we get to that refrain. King of the road. And I like closing that out. But I think you also have the option of, again, just leaving that C7 open. I'll leave that up to you. That's kind of a personal arrangement choice. So there's our pattern. Our strum pattern is going to be a swing. Ba, 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 ba. Nice and lilted. Da, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. So find that nice lilted groove with me here. And we'll add the chords, and then we'll add the words. Here we go on F. To B flat, to C7, and back to F. Circle again, 1, 2, and hold a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start that circle again. 2, 3, 4. One more time, a 1, 2, 2 strums here, 1, 2. King of the road, back to F. All right, let's add some words. Here we go. Trailer for sale or rent. Rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. But 2 hours of pushing broom buys an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road. 3rd boxcar, a midnight train. Destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out clothes and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road. I know every engineer on every train. All of their children and all of their names. And every handout in every town. And every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. Trailer for sale or rent. Rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. But 2 hours of pushing broom buys an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I hope that felt good, working that B flat chord in there and just having fun singing a good old tune. Come on back, practice with me anytime. Since you may be working on that B flat chord, I recommend just leave the strumming out. Leave out the singing as well, and just work your way through that chord pattern however you need to, just chording before you add anything else in there. Feel free to do that. Or likewise, if you're working on the strum pattern today, you can just leave the chords be and just work on that strum pattern by itself. Or, as I love to say, you can just ditch the playing entirely and just sing a great song with me. All of it is good practice, and all of it helps you learn how to put those layers together eventually by focusing on each of them one at a time. So enjoy your practice wherever it may take you, and I will see you next time around. Have fun.